How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now tap on the account center card from Meta. Scroll down to the end, then tap on accounts. As you can see, I have two accounts linked. One is Facebook and the other is Instagram. With the recent update, Meta replaced the remove option with move, so don't get confused. Since we want to remove Instagram account from our Facebook account, so tap on the move button next to your Instagram account. Then select continue to move. Make sure to read the information displayed here, then tap continue. Make sure to review the final confirmation details, then finally tap on yes finish moving button. And boom! You have successfully unlinked your Instagram account from Facebook. As you can see, only my Facebook account is currently displaying in the account center, which confirms that we have successfully unlinked Instagram from our Facebook account. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.